Hi guys. Hi Dave. And Lenny. And Winston. I see you there too, Winston. I see you. Oh my goodness. And there's Scout. Scouty. Hi Scout. Hi Scouty. And Lenny. Hi Lenny. And Lightning McQueen. And Soccer Ball. And Katie girl. Hi Katie girl. And there's our Gussie boy. Hey Gussie boy, come here. There's Blaze. Gus, come here Gussie. Come here Gussie boy. Hi Lightning. Hi Blaze. And Winston. Hi Bucky. I know, oh my goodness. You're so happy. You're so crazy. And Queenie. There's our little Queenie. And our Bodie boy. Hi Bodie. Hi Bodie boy. I know, I see you. And there's Claire. Hi babies. Yeah, you're good babies. And Sadie. And our little Tobe. Hi Toby. Hi little lamb. Hi Sade. There's Luna. Hi Luna girl. Hi Luna girl. What are you doing, Claire? Hi Claire. Hi Claire. Hi Clary. And Scout. There's a little princess. There's a little princess girl. Oh, there's a little princess girl. Hi, sweetie. Soccer ball. Soccer ball. Little Maxie. Lona. Hi, Lona girl. Hi, Lona. Yeah, Lona's a good girl. Huh? Lona's a good girl. Luna. Hi, Luna. Where's your girl? We gotta go find her. Hi, Dave. We go right here? Hi, puppies. Hi, puppies. Hi, Scout. Lady. Hi, lady. And there's Patty. Hi, Patty. And our Gussie boy and our Bodie. Hi, Bodie. You're such a little squishy guy. Blaze. Yeah, you're cute. You're cute, aren't you? Yes, you are. Hey, there's our Tika over there. Hi, Teeks. Hi, Tika. Blaze. Lady. And Jelly Bean. Hi, Jelly. Jelly Bean. Jelly Bean. You're so sweet, girl. what are you doing there, Lainey? What are you trying to catch? Are you trying to catch the blossoms or a bug? Are you trying to catch a bug? Huh? You're a funny little girl. Yes, you are. You're a funny little girl. What is? Yes. Lainey girl. You gonna catch a bug? Do you see one? Huh? Hi, Dino. Dino. Where you going? All right, guys. Katie. Katie. Katie girl. Hi, Katie. Nice. Hi, Winston. Hi, Happy. Hi, Happy. Oh, Winston, you're so crazy. Oh, you're so crazy. Yes, you are. Oh, my gosh. You're trying to find somebody to play with you? Huh? You little loudmouth. Are you a little loudmouth? Yes, you are. You're funny. All right, guys. We'll see you next time. Okay? Bye-bye.